Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, go into menu. Now we need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the top left corner over here and tap on this LED press icon. After that, you can set up an hour, choose OK and click on repeat. Over here, select days of the week. I will go with Wednesdays only and click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Then click on label. You label your alarm however you wish to. Save it by tapping on OK and choose default. Now you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also select add new, pick music from your device by tapping on one of these sources, like downloads, tapping on the song and going back. Now click on this icon over here and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!